Aven's Wide View Magnifier is unlike any handheld magnifier available before. The crystal-clear rectangular lens gives you a wide viewing area, with a 1-inch spot lens for additional magnification. But what really sets this device apart is the two distinct sets of LEDs, one set of traditional white LEDs that offer ultra-bright illumination with 2 intensity settings, and another set of ultraviolet LEDs operating at 365 nanometers. These ultraviolet LEDs highlight objects that fluoresce, illuminating details that can be impossible to see with the naked eye alone. An ideal feature for aerospace and defense electronics inspection, dermatology, schools, forensics, hospitality and food industries, and industrial inspection for detecting defects. Taking a look inside the box, the package includes the magnifier itself, a USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. Also included is the rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which is pre-installed into the unit. Using the Wide View Magnifier is quick and easy. The 2 micro-touch buttons on the front of the device operate the LEDs. The button labeled LED toggles between the 2 intensity settings, and the button labeled UV operates the ultraviolet LEDs. To charge the battery, connect the USB-C charging cable to a compatible power adapter, and insert the USB-C end into the bottom of the handle. The red charging indicator LED will turn off when the battery is fully charged.